Are you having trouble trying to find the right TV size for your space? In this video, I'm going to show you an easy solution on how to determine the right TV size for your space. I'm Canon, founder of Digital Delight. Our objective is to help end users make educated decisions on technology that is affordable, minimalistic, compact, and easy to use. Today, I'm going to take you on site to show you some of the techniques that Digital Delight uses to help simplify sometimes these challenging technical decisions. They have this beautiful, grand, modern, open area, but they are concerned about the appropriate TV size. I went ahead and put up a TV template with a 75-inch TV. I also marked on the wall where they might find a floating shelf. I marked that with blue tape. Here is a nice example of a TV template. I have a 75-inch up on the wall. And whenever you tell a client a 75-inch TV, they always assume that, whoa, that's way too big. But that 75-inch TV looks a lot more appropriate from this distance back here in the kitchen. All right, there you can see, start seeing the island. You know, this is not the natural viewing area. They have a little sitting area here in between the kitchen and the TV area. And of course, granted, the sitting area is going to be here. Even at this distance, you can still see, and we are 20 feet back, you can see that that 75-inch TV is still appropriate for that seating distance and for this space. If you like what you see, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below or that follow button. Please don't hesitate to like it or love it and share it. Now let's go upstairs. All right, here we are in the upstairs space, and this television's kind of tucked in the corner. Their seating area is about 20 feet back, and they want to make sure that they get the right size television as well as is it at the right height. One cool thing about the TV template is it does include dimensions. I have a set of displays. I have 6 of them, anywhere from a size 43 up to a size 85. This is for their 55-inch display, which is perfect because it gives 10 inches of spacing on either side. It probably needs to come down a little lower than what the client's original expectations were, but this helps them make an educated decision on where the television needs to be placed, as far as in height, as far as in size, for this space. Take a look in the description down below. I've added a couple of links, so if y'all are interested in the TV template, you can find out some more information there. Also, if you want to learn some more about Digital Delight, I included that link below as well. I want to quickly thank everybody that took the time to watch this video. If you'd be so kind to follow or like, or even leave a question down in the comment section, I'd love to discuss that in future videos. All right, and until next time, Digital Delight's going to continue creating fantastic experiences for end users. Y'all have a wonderful day.